guys, here's Madame OK. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being a part of it. If you enjoy watching the videos, please don't forget to subscribe as well as to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye! Hello guys, here's Madame OK and today we will be painting a cat lost in the beautiful kind of landscape. So let us start with sketching. I place the image on the side, have my pencil, and I decide what kind of changes can I add to make this painting more interesting. So I think that we can have this fence, but I put this fence a little bit lower. And I see it in 2-point perspective, but I think 3 will be more interesting, even maybe a little bit lower, just for myself. And I place it, maybe this I create like a 1-point perspective with the hint, so 1, 2 on the other side, just a little bit like a ledge there. And what we do over there, I think we can continue. I can actually bring it even further, but I don't know if maybe. Okay, so a little bit further. Like this, and then we have the other side of it. So that should be very thick on this side here. And notice that I use pencil and I'm not worried about the heaviness of the lines, and the reason for it is that I will cover them later on. So I don't have pencil, I use simply the green color crayon. So this edge is fine, and then we have it. So this is still the side, and this is the ledge on which the cat will be placed. So this is okay. And then I need to have this edge a little bit. I just change it a little bit more. So you see, it will be skinnier on this side here. I place it this way here, and believe me or not, that's what we'll have there. Okay, then we have this lovely tree that's really huge, like big trunk. Coming out, it's coming there when we have this change. So you see, like this, a little bit. So I place it definitely somewhere there. Like this. We don't even know what we will see here, but we definitely will see the cat. So the branch will be there, and I want the cat, and I have this beautiful face of his somewhere here. Then I will look at the body, and I will look at the body in terms of chest. You see that definite positioning there. And remember, I have a cat myself, so that helps me to, will help me to paint this cat. Okay, so we have a tail, we have the one leg, and then we'll have those beautiful legs in the front. But we don't want to put too many details. Remember, eyes will be somewhere here, ears that I don't even see there, but if I want to, I can add them there. Okay, so the cat will be like a lion here. Fantastic. So we have this ledge. I think this one is going very short somewhere there, but for our composition reason, I will push it further, you see, so that it will look more interesting. So then, and then we have to basin. All those stones have to be presented there. So we have to continue with those lines like this, approximately. Now we will have those mason. They have to be more or less, well, not more or less, they have to be on the same side. Every second part, not just not there. And then every second we go between, like this. See? Fantastic. So that's good. And then with this one, so we'll continue. It has to go there. The other one will come there. See, so every second again, that's what I'm looking at. The distances will become shorter because we are receding back into the space. Right, so that's what we will have. And then the greenery, everything will come there. Maybe I'll place extra branch because I like it. I like to have a little bit more of everything. So fantastic. Now with the we don't see what's going there. That looks like maybe you can continue, but I will make sure that I will have lots of leaves here, like a branch or something that will cover this part. Fantastic. Now what I want to do, I want to start with the white, believe me or not, and the white will go into spaces where I assume that maybe I will see sky coming back through behind. So you will say, why are you applying white? It will help me. The white will help me later on to apply or mix other colors into it. So definitely I want to have it there. Just easier to paint, especially with palette knife. When I would use oils, it would be different when I would use the same brushes. That's for sure. Okay, so this color is there. And I am really happy that I have it there. Then I can bring some of the blue into it. So I have to make sure that my palette knife is clean. And I have to use my paper towel. I know green on it. Ooh la la, that wouldn't be good. And I have my blue now. And I want to have too much of it. So I'm taking still a little bit more of it there. And then I can go with the blue. Notice the blue is already toned down. And the reason for it is that I have buff color here. So the buff and some other mixtures from the previous session are still wet there, so they mix nicely in my blue. So you see how easy it is, and I can be a little bit more even precise with the color distribution because I have already the first layer of color there, which is again white. And then we can go on this side. Even when I plan to have some green stuff on the top leaves, maybe a branch, I think that it's always good just to have the base color, the color that perhaps will peek through. And that again will be blue of the sky. Okay, coming there. That's good. Ooh la la. Now the another step that I want to take is since I work with the lighter colors, I will use the buff color here for my mason, for my bricks. So I have, and I will look at this, it's my buff color and my raw umber. So those two colors are essential here. I also will use a little bit blue, believe me or not, and more white. And the blue will be a good addition because you see what's happening to the color. It's more interesting. Wow, that's a better color, I think. I mean, you can use both of them, but this color somehow looks more like those bricks, the stone mason. So I will bring some of the white still, mixing it with my purple and the buffy color. See, that's too light, much too light, so I have to darken it. And I will use for this purpose my raw umber and go on the top, a little bit of buff and go on the top because this can't be so light. Creating this buff. Okay, that should be okay. That should do it. Maybe I never can finish, so maybe just a little bit of it and this here. And you know what? We should be okay. There's the ledge. Maybe later on when the paint will be dry, we can come back to it. But right now I'm not, or maybe just see, I'm not so much worried even about it. Fantastic. So with the trees, we need to establish the trunk. And the trunk will be my raw umber and a lovely burnt sienna color. Little bit of buff even in it. As you can see my palette, they are the colors that I plan to use or started using. My raw umber, little bit of this buff that dangerous is placed next to the pink color, And this combination will be the one that I need, oh, very nice, on my trunk. We have to think about some branches, and I'm already resorting to my brushes, because with the brushes I will be able to get all those details, lovely details that I need to have. So I will place one branch running. Oh my goodness, lots of paint. See there, the paint is so still wet, so that when I paint on the top, the paint goes in, grooves into the other paint that is there. See, something there. I need to create a couple of them, even that. And the cat is sitting on the ledge, so you have to move the legs. And then something is happening there in the back, and this has to do with the greenery will come, but it's almost like just in case we'll place something there. Good. So we have some branches. That's very, very important. And then you can work on the other parts. Our cat has to be, let's see, I need to get black, and I mix blue with burnt sienna to get the color, kind of blackish color. See, very, very interesting. So burnt sienna and blue. Now I want to apply it into the sections of the cat that I see as a black color. Okay, so we have already so much information included here. So now it's time to put the green stuff on. And what I will be doing with it? Well, I will look for specific shapes. I still have to get green branches here and there. So some of those ends specifically are really green. And then we go for our thread. I want to use palette knife here for sure, and then I move back to the brush. So we want to work with some of the beautiful lines. Notice I'm taking some green paint on my palette knife, and with the edge of it, where I mix two green colors, I'm going and creating those nice lines. We also can come in here in the front and create some of those interesting shapes of the leaves. Always starting with the darker color and then going with the lighter one. I also see some of the bluing, like it's more of the bluish green. So I want to bring some of it as well. See what is happening? We use lots of different colors here, and we want to create this beautiful chaos which happens in the garden. See, like this. Lots of different colors, lots of fun with the colors. Maybe some white actually, that will look good on it. Whoa. See, as long as I can mix it into the wet paint, then the color will not look chalky. It will just do what I want instead. It will do. Okay, good, and maybe some there. Now we have to go back to the tree. And this time, we have to figure out how to make those lovely leaves. So I have a big still, well, it's not big in comparison to what we have here, to the scale of our painting paper on which I paint. So I see I have a brush with some paint, and I will create some of those leaves. Still a little bit more of this purple. I need there where we have our tree. See, like this. So with the cut, do we have a smaller brush? Oh, yes, I do. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going for the white. And I think I use a little bit of pink on the cut. Because why the cut has to have one kind of white. It can be a pink white. Right now it's a happy cut. Okay. Whoa. Oh, good. Then and a little bit darker underneath of his paws. And the same there. Okay, good. Now just the tree. There's a little bit light coming through in this section. Maybe we'll go back to it, who knows. Okay, but at this stage, we want to still bring a little bit more of the trunk here. Adding some branches again, and then covering them in some sections, because we don't want that would be just one big stick. But we want to give the idea that there are lots of different colors, lots of actions happening. So this is good. I think that this warmer color will be good here. So again, we use a little bit artistic license here. We have the reference, but from this reference we'll make something really beautiful, happy, because that's our painting. So we can, it's up to us. Be the same, those colors there. We have some yellow colors here, so it's good to mix them and make this painting with happy colors. I have red here, and I would think, okay, so what I can do, I can bring some red there. Why not? We make it like almost like a Matisse, like happy, colorful painting. I have my blue here, and I will bring it through in some places. The same, we have this division of the trunk, so we'll maybe just take the paint from here and introduce it as the color visible here of the sky. Now, there we have to go. Oh, there's still white here. How come? Perfect. And add some of the branches and some leaves. Okay. Okay. And that's about, I think, it. Let's see if I still have purple here, because I would like to add some purple there. Very good. So I hope that you enjoyed working on this painting with me, and now I'm ready to get a crazy painting on your own using all the colors that you have.